Okay, so you wanted to know how they came up with their answer when they simplified this. Well, when you look at the order of operations, that please excuse my dear Aunt Sally stuff that tells us what order to do everything in math, no matter what our topic is. It says do what's in parentheses first, then do anything that has to do with exponents. Do any multiplication or division when you read it left to right, whichever one you come to first, and then addition and subtraction the same way. So with this particular problem, the first thing I would do is take care of what's in the parentheses. And so my thoughts then would be, what is 3 halves minus 3? Well, with fractions, you have to subtract things that are alike. We need both of these to have the same denominator. So this is, if I write it in fractions, would be over 1. And so I need to change this fraction over to where it has a 2 as a denominator. And by doing that, if this was times 2 to get here, then this has to be times 2. So now what we're looking at is 3 halves minus 6 halves right now. And so 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So now this becomes negative 3 over 2, because you don't change the bottom numbers. You add or subtract what's alike, but what's alike stays alike in the answer. So we add alike denominators. We add or subtract fractions that have alike denominators, and then in the answer, the denominator still has to have that answer. So now that we've got the inside here and we know it was a negative 3 halves, now we can take that outside and we can go to the next step, which we don't have any exponents, so we come down here to multiplication and division. So when you multiply this, it's negative 3 over 1 times negative 3 over 2. And they don't need common denominators. In fact, I just a little bit ago sent you a video on all things fractions, which would have gone through a bunch of this stuff too. But now when you multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. So we have negative 3 times negative 3, which is a positive 9. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Hopefully that clears that up for you.